Hello everyone. I would like to say a few words about SQL Developer, how to download it and configure it. First we need is to download this tool. You can try to search it on internet or go directly through Oracle page. So here we are, and you can see multiple versions of SQL Developer. Then you need to verify the architecture of your machine. You can see I use Windows and 64-bit architecture. Then I need to check if I have installed Java. I have version 8 of Java. If you still don't have a Java, you can simply choose the version of SQL Developer with Java included. I don't have JDK 11 and higher, so I also need to download SQL Developer version with Java included. I click to related link to download SQL Developer. Then I need to agree with license of Oracle and log in with my Oracle account. If you don't have the Oracle account, you can fill a form for registration and it's all. The registration is free. And finally, you can see that the download process is started. I downloaded zip file, so I extract it as any other zip file. And now it is extracted. Let me transfer it to destination where I want. I also have some SQL Developer instance, so I replace it by simple deletion and replacing. And then I am finally able to run it by running SQL Developer exe file. Now you can put the connection property to instance where I want to log on. I am using the way with mapping file tnsnames.ora. This is file which store the information about connections. After that, I'm able to see connections XE and listener XE. These are connections to my database. You may have different. Then I fill the valid credentials. I use the credentials of my previous installed. You can see the Oracle database installation in one of my previous videos. So I renamed the connection from XE to XD-admin, but this can be whatever. Then I use the account from time of Oracle DB installation. Username sys and also the password. It is an admin account, so I need to use role sysdba. Now I can press the button test and you can see that the status is success. From this point I'm able to connect to database by this account. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.